in south central Kansas, northwestern Pratt County in south central Kansas, southeastern Pawnee County in south central Kansas, Edwards County in south central Kansas, northeastern Cuyahoga County in south central Kansas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northwest of Felsberg, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. John, Maxville, Lewis, Garfield, Belfry, Centerview, Sanford, Felsberg, Sook, Hopewell, Dillon, Truesdale, and Purcell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county, Pawnee, Kansas.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Reno County, southern Rice County, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plevna, or 11 miles south of Sterling, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, Sterling, Nickerson, Chase, Sylvia, Alden, Plevna, Abbeville, Raymond, New Oak Brook, and